Hey fellow gardeners, January is the perfect time to get ahead of the game and sow some fast-growing kitchen herbs that'll give you speedy harvests as early as March. In this video, we'll show you 4 easy-to-grow herbs that'll make your kitchen bloom with freshness. Herb 1, basil. First up, we've got basil, the king of herbs. It's a staple in many cuisines and it's super easy to grow. Sow seeds indoors in January and you'll be harvesting in no time. Make sure to give it plenty of sunlight and warmth and it'll thrive. Herb 2, cilantro. Next, we've got cilantro, the fresh and zesty herb that's perfect for adding a burst of flavor to your dishes. Sow seeds directly in pots or seed trays and keep the soil moist. It's a fast grower, so you'll be enjoying fresh cilantro in no time. Herb 3, mint. Who doesn't love a good mojito or refreshing salad with fresh mint? This one's a bit more heat maintenance, but trust us, it's worth it. Sow seeds indoors and keep it in a pot to control its spreading tendencies. Herb 4, parsley. Last but not least, we've got parsley, the versatile and nutritious herb that's packed with vitamins. Sow seeds in January, and you'll be adding fresh parsley to your dishes in no time. It's a slow-bolting herb, so you can enjoy it for longer. Tips and tricks. 1 is sow seeds in well-draining soil and keep it moist. 2 is give them plenty of sunlight and warmth. 3 is harvest regularly to encourage new growth. 4 is use them in your favorite dishes or preserve them for later use. Want more gardening tips and tricks? Follow me for more gardening content. Share your favorite herb recipes in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening goodness.